In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to your Fresha portfolio. Let's get started. First, head over to your Fresha dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your professional activities, so it's your home base on the platform. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see either an image or your initials. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu. From here, select the My Profile option. This section is vital for showcasing your work to potential clients, so we'll need to ensure everything is presented as professionally as possible. Now, within your profile, look for the section labeled Portfolio. You should see a prompt to set it up if you haven't already. Navigate to this area and click on Set Up Now. You'll be guided to a new page. Once you're on the setup page, simply click Continue. This step is just to make sure that you're in the right place to begin uploading your work. Now, the platform will present you with various options, but for our purpose, we're going to click on Upload Images of your work manually. Next up, you'll arrive at another page. This is where the platform outlines what images are acceptable and what are deemed unsuitable. It's a quick guide to ensure your content meets Fresha's standards. After reviewing these guidelines, click Continue at the top right of the page to proceed. Now you're ready to upload your images. Locate and click the Upload Images button. This action will open your File Explorer, allowing you to select the photos you wish to showcase. Make sure these images represent your best work, as they will be on display for everyone visiting your profile. After selecting your images, they will begin uploading to the platform. Once the upload is complete, all you need to do is click Done at the top of the page. It's as simple as that, and that's it. You have successfully added images to your Fresha portfolio. This process is quick but essential for building your professional online presence. Remember that updating your portfolio regularly with your latest work helps keep prospective clients engaged and interested. So whenever you have new, impressive work to display, just follow these same steps and keep your portfolio up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.